Hey, what's up? Here it's Nina, Meet the Shoe. Yup, Diddy, day 25. So there is a problem with the 7th member of the jury. You know, juror number 6 got kicked off. Now they're trying to kick off number 7 because number 7 had somebody text message him because they had strict instructions not to talk about this case, talk about it in the media, any of that. And if you have any information in your text, as you can see on trial, that they're going all through your text messages. And the judge also stated that whoever released that information, they're going their butt to jail, civilly or criminally. So I don't know who violated that gag order, but the judge is pissed off. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Meet the Shoe.
So Diddy is done. He will be found guilty. There is no chance he escapes without a conviction. Most smart people think that the government has not quite made the case for racketeering. Some people think there may be room for reasonable doubt within the S-trafficking charges. I mean, there were some times when Cassie and Jane seemed to like it. But S-trafficking includes transporting people in order to engage in prostitution. Not gonna be able to get past that one. This has been admitted to and discussed ad nauseum. I mean, there was a lot of traveling to engage in prostitution. So I think the case ended here, and some of you didn't even realize it. Government reviews flight records of male escort, flight records belonging to Jules Theodore, an escort frequently hired to engage in freak-offs with Diddy and Cassie, text messages between the two men, in which Combs arranges plans to have Jules travel between New York and LA to party for a weekend.
Racketeering enterprise. For the purpose of RICO, there's a racketeering enterprise. And what that has to be, here's the law. I'm going to read it because no one seems to want to deal with the fact that the racketeering enterprise has to exist before the acts are called RICO acts. So a law defines the enterprise as including any individual, partnership, corporation, association, or other entity, okay, and any union or group of individuals associated, in fact, although not a legal entity. And they can't be, so it's not basically a company who does a bunch of illegal things. It has to be an organization that was formed to commit crimes. The whole purpose of the enterprise is a criminal enterprise. That's why it's traditionally used for organized crime, for cartels, for other organizations who basically are born and are existing to commit criminal acts.
Yeah. You know what, though? Lots of legal garbage collection happened while people were getting murdered and thrown into the fishes.